Hi guys, I'm David Setiabudi and I'm going to guide you how to create Dino fish bell. Yes, a fossil. Using Tinkercad Scribble. You see how cool is that? It acts like this one is in a museum. You know that? Okay, I'll guide you how to do this. Okay, first one, you need to find reference. Then you use the Scribble. Okay, I use this one, draw this one using mouse, or you can use your graphic tablet. And then you put the shapes there. Okay, one by one, piece by piece. Okay, please be patient in this part. Okay, you cannot straight away create the dinosaur bone. Be patient. This one is the teeth. Creating the mouth first. Creating another piece. See? You need to be patient. And believe that this one will become the dinosaur bone. Okay. See the fish there? I create the mouth first. So create the lower jaw. Yep, lower jaw. But this is only the first part. The front part, you can copy paste that one, okay, and mirror, okay? You copy paste it so it can be complete to create the whole mouth. Okay, but first this one is a bit 2D like. Okay, first the 2D shapes first. Okay. Be patient. Because I create this tutorial, of course you know that my final form is truly 3D. Okay, I'm creating for the face. If you fail, you need to create again. Okay, please be patient. Back and forth to see the shape and check it through the sample, to the image. It's almost complete for the head. Okay, rotate it a bit and now make it stand up. See? Stand up. But you see it's still like 2D but stand up. See? Now it's time for you to make it into 3D. We rotate those shapes and bend it. Okay? We bend it, but 2 rotations, bend it, 2 rotations. Okay? Each part is taken out. Okay? But we rotate it, so it's like a bended shape. What does it mean? I'll show you after this. Because we are creating the right side of the face. So are we creating the left side? No need. We just create the only right side only. Just create the right side of the face and make sure it looks 3D by creating those rotations. Just focus on creating on the right side. You don't need to care about the left side. Okay, rotate it like this. Make sure there's no hole over there unless it's necessary. Okay. Rotate it there and this. Okay. So this is for the lower jaw. As you can see, right now the right side is already done. How to click on the left side? Just copy, paste, and mirror. Okay, there's a mirror on the top. See the mirror button over there? Okay. So you need to make it mirror and then combine it. So when you see those parts on the left side and right side, of course it's almost the same. Okay, but now you need to bridge them. Okay, the left part and the right part. You need to bridge them. Okay? Now that one is almost combined. So the shape is leaning to each other. Now we need to combine this separated lower jaw. See? Sit there. Rotate slowly, but make sure it's combined nicely for the lower jaw. And as you see, we already combined the lower jaw, but we need to combine the rest. The skull, the teeth, you see? We don't need tongue because there are no tongue there. Okay, because it's on its own. They combine with another teeth. See? The bridge there, between the jaw, between the lower jaw, I mean, you need to put the complete teeth. Now, for the upper jaw, combine it. Make sure it's well combined. Rotate it. Make sure it's nice. I put two parts. Rotate it. Two parts. Okay, now for the top teeth. Top teeth is done. Okay, make sure the sides are a bit different. Okay, this one is not a robot, so make sure the teeth size is a bit different. Okay. You need to see every teeth from different angle. Now to combine the lower jaw, not the front one but the inside. Okay. You need to imagine the shape and then put it there. If you fail, no worries, you can do it again and remove the previous part. Now this one is joined. Okay, if you can do a copy paste, do it. But if you cannot, then you can draw again. Okay, nice, you put it there. Remember what tool did you use for drawing this one? Scribble, yes. You can use your mouse or you can use your graphic tablet to create the shape. Okay, combine those, rotate it. Remember, 3D is XYZ. You copy the lower jaw and rotate for the skull. Okay, put it there. Okay, rotate it and put it down. Nice. Make sure the bridge are nice, okay, for the left part and right part. And don't forget to observe from different angles. Make sure it's nicely combined. Okay guys, always look at the reference, and now it's time for us to create the body part. I'm going to create the back spine first. Okay. Okay, I'm choosing this cylinder to be the back spine. Don't forget to make it centered by align center. The align center tool is at the right top, at the top right of the Tinkercad. Okay, I think it's bad for the cylinder to be chosen as the spine. I'm going to replace it with cylinder. Okay, I think this one is much better. Okay, now we have to create the other part of the back spine. I'm going to copy paste it. I think I'm going to make about 10 maybe. The front part will be bigger, but we need to make it center aligned. Okay, I'm going to fast forward this. Okay, I won't show you how to create the ribs. Okay, but I just show you up until this part. I'm going to create the tail of the fish, which is called caudal fin. Okay, the fish tail is called as caudal fin. Okay, after this, I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, how is the final form of this prehistoric fishbone, okay, that you saw in the museum. Okay, now this is the final one. See how wild is that? Okay, I think I'm going to change color. By changing color of this, it surely create a different impression. Now, first animation. Wow. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to render it using this one. It's not nice. Okay, I think I prefer the original shape. Okay, this one, guys. I'm going to change the color now. It's woo, wild red, more vicious. Okay, I hope you enjoy my tutorial in the Tinkercad with me, David Setiabudi. I hope you are all inspired